Hi there, it's the Divine Healer. How are you today? I hope you're doing well, staying balanced and at peace. Spirit had me look up a quantum physics video, and I found one with Philip Ball, and it's about quantum physics. And it's object transportation practices for human quantum transportation, the Beam Me Up Scotty theory. This theory has been broken. Human quantum transportation is currently happening all over the world. This technology has been hidden, and it's being hidden by high advanced, knowledgeable scientists, physics masters, and elites. They are currently being used secretly by these higher knowledge people. They are holding us back from advancing and keeping scientific studies, theories, and knowledge from reaching our ears and being used to enhance and evolve as we should be. Technology advancement, hence keeping technology that could clean the environment, the air we breathe, our water systems, the ecological system, our energy that should be clean energy by now. This is happening all over the world. Spirit wanted to reiterate. They are keeping the earth from evolving, as we know. They've always done this. But they're doing it with technology. They're holding us back. With scientific advancements through quantum mechanics. They're keeping us stuck in this old theory that they say that they have not broke. They broke the quantum entanglement of the particles paradox, which Einstein was working on in the 1950s. He had a spooky action at a distance experiment. He was experimenting, and he came across a common particle, a common measurement between two particles. And it was a spooky action at a distance, like it happened, okay, accidentally. And it created a strange measurable message from the experiment. So, it was like a freak accident, but it was a valuable one, and unfortunately it got pushed under the carpet. I'll reiterate it again. It was a scientific spooky incident that could have actually caused more advancements in technology in the 1950s and all over the world. Spirit wanted me to reiterate that again. In the video that I posted, Ball talks about his experiment with the two boxes that he has on his table. He's trying to explain the theory of the quantum mechanics experiment on how you use valuables with you measure the valuables of the protons into processing information to move an object to another dimension in another time space, basically to another location. So for this I wrote, for a simple understanding of the stuffed animal in the box's experiment. The exclamation he is speaking of is that he's talking about moving objects from one space to another, measuring the particles in such a manner. That it breaks the barriers of quantum physics for objects to be transported instantaneously through space-time, and this is happening all over the world. There are objects and beings currently being moved through this quantum dimensional space-time scientific breakthrough. This is when the time travelers started to appear in the 1970s. So this started in the 1970s. We've seen the old black and white pictures of a man in a black suit and a white shirt, black tie, and he's got a cell phone, you know, stuff like that, wearing his black hat. Looked out of the ordinary. These scientists and scientific masters were stopped by a time traveler in the 1970s to stop Einstein's theory from reconstructions of quantum mechanics from scratch, using simple axioms for what permitted to make the communication between particles measured at the precise measurement for information to be coded, transferred, and shared and read out. So they wanted to stop it from being reconstructed, broken down, rebuilt from scratch, because the information wasn't able to be processed for the information to be processed in such a manner to which the communication could come through and break through for the process of the transportation from one dimension space-time to another. Reasoning and processing information to compile and qualify scientific findings for advanced technology. So that's what I came up with for this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, watch the video if you're interested in learning more about quantum physics and what I'm talking about. So, yeah, please like, share, subscribe. Always remember to heal within, and may Source be with you. Love you. Bye.